Hey everybody, it's room tour. We're doing 2545 one-bedroom unit here at Saratoga Springs Resort. We just checked in straight to the room because of the COVID-19 pandemic. And this is a renovated room, it turns out. Very nice, pretty spacious for a hotel room for sure. First of all, a little sitting area. We have some bags already hanging on the coat rack there. A little mirror. Hardwood floors lead us in here. We got a little dining room table. This rolls out into a very nice kitchen. Pardon our masks laying everywhere. Have to have those these days. And then into the kitchen. It's got full, this is the wrong side here. Freezer, very cold already. The fridge. There you go. Full cooktop and a microwave. Very nice, the rest of the room. Very spacious and big. Big TV over here. Like that. Lots of room to live. This is going to be a pull down bed that I'll show you in a second, but cool little Disney touch here on this side. And by the way, each one of these sides, because it's a pull down bed, it's going to have USBs and regulars, and there's more outlets down there. Phone in here as well, but this turns out to be a full couch. And trophy. Comment down below if you know where that's from. Old Mo. It's a Disney reference of some sort. So we'll start with the pull down trundle here, which comes down just like this. It's caught on the plug in the wall right now, but Goofy's in it, and it's a single for extra seating. We'll do the pull down here. We don't want to destroy it too much, but kind of a cool backdrop behind the pull down bed in the living room. It's got Mickey and Minnie and Pluto there. Got Goofy, Donald and Daisy on the porch. Maybe you can see it, maybe you can't. Then of course, balcony, the porch, and it's got the view of Disney Springs right across the way. So we got a cool view here right along the shore of Disney Springs, all the way from boathouse there. Coming back to the balloon, to Haleo. We'll zoom in there. And we'll be right back with the bedroom and main bath tour. Alright, so here's the main bedroom tour. Nice spacious bedroom. Big king bed here. And nice little chest of drawers here. More plugs, more USBs. Another big TV in here. Regular wall lamp. And the view, of course, the same as the one over there. Very cool water tower, House of Blues. And the Cirque Theater's over there as well. Then we come up here to this nice bed, and you'll see that the characters are worked into different spots in Saratoga Springs proper. That one not, but regular jockey. We'll work our way to the other side and See Mickey and Minnie riding the horse, and then Pluto swimming in the springs. And then a wall mirror there. We'll work our way into the bath. We've got a full tub here, single vanity, and then a closet, kind of a walk-in here to hang stuff. It's got the safe down there. It's got a vacuum cleaner in case you want to do a little cleaning. Second bath has another vanity. And the large shower. Rainfall head. And then of course a water closet here. All in all, very nice room. I'm very excited to stay here. And can't wait to get the Disney version of the trip started.